Hello everyone, I've compiled a random list of questions that can be used to measure your Excel skills. Note that this list is by no means exhaustive, but will be helpful for anyone interested in improving their Excel skills. So in the next few minutes, I'll discuss each question briefly, and if you want to add to the list, please feel free to leave a comment below. Now, let's get started. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to click the like button. Thank you. I've noticed that some Excel users do not like keyboard shortcuts. I've had students ask me to point out whatever command I'm using in the ribbon instead of using shortcuts. Now, using shortcuts improves efficiency and productivity, and there are lots of keyboard shortcuts that can make you super efficient. Check out my playlist on Excel tips to learn more. When sharing large data sets, it is important to keep the headers visible. You can do that in the View tab, Freeze Pins. Now, this locks specific rows and columns in place, and while you scroll to another area of the worksheet, the headers remain visible. Alternatively, you can format as table, and when you scroll past the view of the header row, Excel freezes the headers so you can distinguish each column. Note that when you click outside the table, the view disappears. Check out my video on Excel tables to learn more. Now, VLOOKUP is one of the most popular Excel functions, and most Excel users are finding it difficult to use other lookup functions. It is a great function, but not very flexible. You should consider using a combination of index and match functions or XLOOKUP. These functions are more versatile. I have a few tutorials you can watch to learn more about these functions. The links are in the description box below. Did you know that Shift and F10 displays the right-click menu but doesn't display the font, number, and alignment command? Now, when you use a mouse or touchpad, you see those commands. Another cool thing is that you can right-click and drag to insert columns or rows. You can use it to format cells. The features are a lot. You should try it. Inserting blank columns in your data set makes it difficult to work with the data. To get rid of these blank columns, highlight the range, press F5, Special, and select blanks. Okay, now press Ctrl- to delete the columns. Now this is the data I can work with. Are you aware that you can set up your commonly used commands on the Quick Access toolbar? Just right-click on the command and add to the Quick Access toolbar. And you can access this anytime by using the Alt key shortcut. With a right click, you can also hide or change the location of the toolbar. This data has sales and cost. You don't have to calculate gross profit in the source data. You can create a calculated field in the pivot table. You can check out my video on calculated items and fields to learn more. The link is in the description box below. You can merge all these tables into a single pivot table by connecting them in the data model. A data model allows you to create relationships and integrate multiple tables. I already covered this in one of my tutorials. You can check it out in the description box below. Power Query is an amazing data transformation tool, super easy to use and can save you hours of work. It allows you to get data from hundreds of sources and transform it with just a few steps. And when you need to update your report, you'll be able to do it with just a click of the refresh button. You can check out my playlist on Power Query in the description box below. Just a few points to discuss here. First, what version of Excel do you have? If you're not using Microsoft 365, then you should consider getting a personal subscription, even if your office doesn't have one. Also, do you follow Microsoft Excel MVPs? There are a number of them, and here are some that I follow. And there's a wealth of knowledge you can gain from them. To stay up to date, you can also join meetup groups, Excel forums. You'll be able to get help anytime you get stuck on an Excel problem. You can also join the insider channel to get the latest functions and new updates before it is released to everyone. All these can help you stay up to date with new developments in Excel. We've now come to the end of this episode. If I missed any important points, please share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please leave your feedback, subscribe, click the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to click the like button. Thank you.